50 megabytes of email space, and then they run out of space and they have to go clean up their inbox. With Exchange Online, we provide 25 gigabytes of space. The latest version, 25 gigs. And most CIOs would love to give their employees 25 gigabytes, and that notion of being on the latest version, of only needing an internet connection to be able to get to your documents and to be able to collaborate, not needing to go into the corporate network. That's a big, big benefit. So that goes to the sort of redefining productivity for their employees. It doesn't mean it's right for everyone, but these are some of the reasons why customers tell us that the cloud is exciting or interesting to them. We are absolutely betting the company on the cloud. And there are three things I tell customers to prove it to them. Number one, we are bringing the world's leading products to the cloud. Office, SharePoint, Exchange, Link, they're all available as a cloud service run by Microsoft. Dynamics CRM. Windows Intune is a new cloud-based service that's currently in beta that is a service that will help customers manage their PCs and their phones to keep it secure, to push new software out to it. All things they can do today on-premise, but we'll do it as a cloud service. And then, of course, Windows Azure for developers to build cloud applications. So we're taking the world's leading products and moving them to the cloud. That's sort of point number one. Point number two is that we're doing a huge amount of work to build our data center capacity. As a company, we're spending $2.3 billion to build data centers in various places around the world, and we're really excited to do that. When we build the data center, we build it in such a way that we have geo-replicated customer data. So when DuPont signs up to our cloud service, their data is stored in one data center that's in one location, and it's stored in a secondary data center in case there was some catastrophic event in the city that the first data center was located in. That second data center is in a completely different city, typically in a completely different region, sometimes in a different country, so that we have that second data center ready to go. I talked about being able to have data in the cloud, but also having data on-premise. Codelco is this largest copper mining company in the world, based in Chile. They run Exchange Server and SharePoint Server for their headquarters employees, but they just signed up 7,000 miners to be able to do Exchange Online and SharePoint Online from within the mine when they're inside the mine in the cafeteria. So they're mixing headquarters employees on-premise with miners in the cloud, and yet everybody can see each other, even though it's two different solutions.